Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be setting up our project directories and everything, because I find it to be one of the best practice to get started, where we actually organize our stuff in virtual folders. It sort of helps you build out your project the right way from the start, because once you start adding a whole bunch of stuff, it doesn't look chaotic what's going where and what's happening where, and you're not always chasing where those files are that I have created. So you have clear mind map that actually you're gonna create with the help of these virtual folders. That okay, if I need a view, I'm gonna go find it in a view folder, or if I need a model, I'm gonna go find it in a model folder. So all right, enough talking, let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to start with this project. So this project is brand new. I just literally created that in case some of you or if anyone's wondering which Xcode version I'm using. So I'm still using Xcode 11.5. Xcode 12 beta 2 is out. It's been out for the last few days, and I've been trying it out, so it's been pretty stable. But we're gonna start trying those and some SwiftUI 2.0 stuff pretty soon. Okay, so let's not get distracted. So let's go ahead and create a sample project. So you just go ahead and create a sample project. If you need help, there are several other videos in the playlist that you can see in my YouTube channel, and you can actually find that I have created some of the projects from scratch there. Anyways, let's go ahead and create some folders now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, and after right clicking, we're going to look for option that says new group without folder. We don't want to create folder. I mean, you can create folders if you want to, but I find it virtual folders to be more apt for my need. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to create an app folder, and I'm going to take all these app delegates, scene delegates. Pretty soon these are gonna go away in Xcode 12, so we don't have to do this step. Okay, and info playlist and preview content, all of this is gonna go in there, and as you can see, our project is already nice and clean. Okay, let's go ahead and create another group, and I'm gonna call this one views, and I'm gonna take this content view and put it right under that section. Okay, we are going to need a few more. So we're gonna need models. We are obviously gonna follow MVVM design pattern, so we're gonna need view models for that as well. We might actually need some services, obviously this one, we're gonna need a service to download our cryptocurrency, so we're gonna create services in case we need more than one. In this case we need just one, but in future if we need more. I'm gonna create an extensions folder. You can create a utility and put all the extensions and controls in there. I still like to keep them separate, so I'm gonna create an extensions, and one more is gonna be controls, because we're gonna be creating some controls in this series. Okay, so with that, we have all of our folders ready. So let me collapse all these. There we go, and that is our folder structure. Okay, so in the next video, what we're gonna do is I guess the right thing to do is get started with the service, so I can show you the combined way of using URL sessions, which is pretty exciting. So I'm excited too about that. So let's go ahead and try that one out. In the next video, we're gonna populate the services and basically create a coin service that's gonna download coin data from coin ranking app. Sorry, not app, website, and we're gonna parse that data and see how that data parsing goes. And then after that, we're gonna start building out our other stuff views, view models, and stuff like that. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and we're gonna develop the coin service. Okay, thank you.